Hey guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Today, just a quick video. I'm responding to a Facebook ad for free compost. Let's get started. So as you can see, I arrived to this. Already started filling up the back of my truck. I'm gonna keep going. I got 11 beds to fill at home. Okay, so you guys will remember I was filling up the truck. Look how much, not quite full to the top, but I wanted to make sure I had room to close the tonneau cover and everything. And it's full all the way back. So that's a 6-foot bed by what, 3.5 foot tall, 2.5 foot tall. So I'm not sure exactly how many yards of leaf litter compost that is. I assume it's pretty close to, I don't know, 5 yards or so. The guy said it actually came out, said he ended up having 80 yards is what that shot was that I showed you. He's got a friend in landscaping who does yard cleanup. He has 22,000 yards of this stuff. So pretty cool. I may end up needing more, but this will be a great base layer or in-between layer for the beds. So a little bit of soil on the bottom, a little bit of compost in the middle, a little soil on top will really help. So it's mostly leaf litter, but you can see some of this is just pure black gold. I mean, that's broken down perfectly. So he hadn't turned it in a while, so some of the stuff on top was dry, but it'll go great and continue to break down on the beds and really feed my crops this year. There you have it, guys. Just a quick video. Use your resources. Free compost is amazing if you can get it. So I know most people are afraid of whether or not it's organic. You don't know what went into it. This is just lawn and leaf litter from, you know, people's yards. So from a landscape company. Yeah, it's all third party. I didn't know when I was going to pick it up that that's what it would be. I thought it was already broken down soil, but it's still going to be great for what I need it for. So sometimes it's just worth reaching out and asking, especially if somebody's, a lot of times at this time of year people are doing their projects and they over order, so they have a lot of free stuff. So topsoil, you know, compost, you can get it, mix it together in a wheelbarrow, fill your beds. I mean, it's amazing if you guys can get your hands on it. So you can fill your raised beds for free if you live in a city most of the time, because people are just keep an eye out for stuff, and you know, the key is patience and just keeping an eye on it. As always, guys, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I hope you guys are staying safe and enjoying your gardens. Thanks for watching.